So vaccinations really key. Get vaccinated India. So let's just look at our record vaccination numbers yesterday of 36 lakhs. But remember, this is still way less than what it's actually meant to be. So if we just compare where India is actually versus the world, well, we can look at those numbers. India rising, but we're still in absolute numbers, but we're still way behind in vaccination rates, which is really key. Let's just look now at the record high of India's vaccination, which was yesterday, but also an outreach now amongst corporates, amongst RWAs to get people vaccinated. Let's just look at that report.
"46-year-old Shishupal earns about 10,000 rupees a month cleaning cars and sends most of it home. Despite the fear of catching COVID, 500 rupees for 2 vaccine doses was out of his reach. But he's getting this for free after his employer organized a camp with Medanta Hospital. A total of 1,200 employees will be vaccinated over the next few days.
आसानी होगी जी, कहीं हॉस्पिटल में जाना पड़ता तो परेशान होते, लाइन में लगना पड़ता। यहाँ कितना बढ़िया रहा कि काम मेरे टीका भी लग गया। अभी छोटे मोटे आदमी के लिए 250 रुपए बहुत है।
Gurugram administration has allowed hospitals to set up vaccine camps on office premises.
We dedicate to each camp roughly 16 to 17 people. They are the different specialty people, and we keep our ambulance ready for any eventuality. We follow as per the protocol of the district administration.
But corporates aren't the only ones bringing the gift of the jab to people's doorstep. Resident welfare associations are doing it too. Getting a jab this easily is a boon for Mr. Garg, who has been on dialysis for the last 5 years and was hospitalized for 12 days a few months ago when he got COVID. His wife is a cardiac patient.
हमको ड्राइवर अरेंज करेंगे, सब चीज़ें अरेंज करके हॉस्पिटल जाएं और वहाँ पे 2 घंटे लगे, 3 घंटे लगे, वी डोंट नो कितना टाइम लगे। यहाँ पे लगाने का कन्वीनियंट यही है, विद इन द सोसाइटी, जस्ट वॉक इन and we have to go and sit down our club only.
Residential societies in Delhi do not have the permission for holding vaccination camps, but here too resident welfare associations are doing their bit.
हम लोग यहाँ से हमने 2 हॉस्पिटल से टाई अप कर रखा है, एक वन इज फिनिक्स एंड सेकंड इज SCI हॉस्पिटल। हम लोगों का पूरा एक प्रॉपर्ली एक लिस्ट बना के उनका रजिस्ट्रेशन करा के देन वी गो, उनको हम हॉस्पिटल वालों को अपनी लिस्ट भेजते हैं, तो वहाँ पे उनको वैक्सीनेट वो लोग करते हैं।
While India carried out its highest daily vaccinations of over 36 lakh yesterday, it is still behind many countries like US, UK and Canada in terms of doses administered per 100 people of the population. And that is why the government needs to ensure that vaccination camps like these at corporates as well as residential societies are allowed as a pan-India practice. In Gurugram, with camera person Sushil Rathi, this is Sukirti Dwivedi for NDTV.